Hello everyone. So our today's program is very simple and basic level right now. That is based on concept of class OOP. So we have a class that is bookstore over here. Okay. And we have one variable inside of that which is nothing but total books. And initially obviously we are writing total books equal to 0. Then we have two methods. One is constructor with parameterized with the four parameters because of the bookstore. It can have title, author, quantity, or price. And then we have a display method to display all these things. And then simple thing using the self.title equal to title, self.author equal to author, and all that things. Now this is very important when we will create the object, okay, later on. Obviously at the time of object creation only it will call this constructor, and obviously it will assign self.title equal to title and all that things, all the four things. And obviously we are incrementing total books by 1 by writing this plus equal to 1 because initially it is 0. So if you have a 5 object, when you are creating 5 object, 5 times it is going to call constructor, 5 times. So at the end, we can say total books equal to what? 5. So here we have created one object B1. Okay, so it will call constructor. It will assign all this value into given parameter. And then display will display all these things. And then we are displaying also total books after this. Okay, so obviously we have created data of one book. So it will give you one book only. Then second time over here, we have one more object B2. So we are again calling constructor. Then again using display method, display function B2.display, we are calling display. And then again total books. Now books are 2, not 1. So let's check the output of this, what exactly we will get for this. Okay. So control S and F5. Okay, so we are getting this first of all details of the first book B1 and total books is 1. Then details of B2 book 2 and total books now it is what? 2. Then obviously we can do so many things like we can update also quantity, like you can update the price also because right now suppose here you all can see quantities are 35 and price is suppose 500. We have used this data just for understanding purpose. They are obviously not real data like quantity and price. So suppose later on after 2 years, after 5 years, if you say I want some more quantity, but that time after 5 years the price is not 500, it may be 700, maybe 800, depends. Okay, same way for some another book also. So basically in my next video we will check how to update, okay, quantity and how to update the price. That also we can do in this only. So that we will check in my next video. Right now it is just the introduction and basic things to take the data and display also and display number of books. Thank you everyone.